Welcome friends. This is 26 feet by 18 feet house design, 470 square feet, two bedroom house design. At first step, next hall. We can discuss requirement of ground floor plan. At first hall, just after entrance, next bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Small house design, bedroom 2, next kitchen. Friends, if you first time visit my channel, please subscribe my channel. Next, toilet and bathroom. Common toilet and bathroom and wash area in front of toilet and bathroom. This part, wash area, washing machine and wash basin, we can provide this place. Next, stair, this portion for stair. Next, we can discuss column. We need 9 column for this building, 9 column and column size 10 inch by 10 inch. Next, stair for first floor. Next, wall, outer wall thickness 10 inch, 250 wall and partition wall also 125 5 इंच का थिक है. Partition wall. Next, we can discuss details dimension with furniture layout. Next, plinth height. Just mark your plinth height. Plinth height is so necessary of the building waterlogging area, waterlogging part. Plinth height is a mention ground level to plinth height 1 feet 6 inch. This part, plinth protection part. Next, dimension. This part, hall area including stair. Dimension, length 17 feet 11 inch. This part is clear. Seventeen feet 11 inch, that's mean 18 feet, and wide 6 feet. Hall, stair length 2 feet 2 inch. Small house design, so small stair. Tread 10 inch and rise are 7 inch. Next, 2 landing provided this stair. Landing size 2 feet 2 inch by 2 feet 2 inch. Next, dining table. This portion 5 feet 4 inch space. We can provide 3-seater dining table. Dining table size 4 feet by 2 feet. And ventilation part. Two small window to be setted just for design purpose. Two window 4 feet 6 inch by 1 feet 6 inch. Next, this part for stair ventilation 2 feet by 4 feet 6 inch. Just the elevation of front side. This part 3 feet 6 inch, and sofa also provided in hall area. Next, kitchen. Kitchen, sink, oven and fridge. This is fridge, refrigerator. Kitchen size 6 feet by 6 feet, and kitchen window should be provided, and kitchen door 2 feet 6 inch. 2 feet 6 inch. Next, window. Three feet by 2 feet. Oven and sink. Next, bedroom. At first, door size 3 feet 4 inch, 3 feet 4 inch by 7 feet. One side window. This part for window 4 feet 6 inch by 4 feet. One window provided. Bedroom size 10 feet 6 inch by 9 feet 6 inch. Next, this is sofa, 3-seater sofa 4 feet 6 inch by 1 feet 9 inch. This wall 6 feet 1 inch. Next, bedroom 2, 3 feet 4 inch. Door and window 4 feet 6 inch by 4 feet. And bedroom size, bedroom number 2, sorry, 9 feet 6 inch by 9 feet. Next, common toilet and bathroom, and in front of this is height issue. This part, washing area 2 feet 11 inch, that's mean 3 feet by 1 feet 6 inch. Next, toilet door size 2 feet 6 inch by 7 feet. One ventilator 2 feet by 1 feet 6 inch. Toilet size 4 feet by 7 feet. So friends, this is ground floor plan with dimension details. If you like this house plan, please like and share with friend and comment. Construction cost 26 feet by 18 feet 468 square feet, and cost 5 lakhs to 7 lakhs. So friends, thanks for watching.